Tara, how many birds do you have on you?
A bunch. Hey, buddy.
Here, let us have some. Let us try. Or get a picture of us. Oh! Oh my gosh.
Is it doing it?
Yeah.
Here's Paul and Caden.
Oh my gosh.
How many birds do you guys have on you? Oh, it looks like 3.
Look, you got one on you still.
He's my friend.
Look at that. You see him, buddy boy? You see him?
Look at that. Hey! Oh my gosh. Look at Caden. He's like, wow.
Here, you want it back? Whoa.
Look at that.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Caden's like, look at that.
This one's like, move over, I want some.
Glaring.
What is it?
I don't know, it's gotta be like sugar water or something good. They love it. Look at the one on my head. Let me see it.
You want to go over there? Hey, buddy.
That one's like, whoa.
Whoa. Look at that.
Can you see him?
Yeah. Caden, what do you think about the birds? Talk about scare me when I first walked out. All right, I'm shutting this off.